To get Monzo Flex, you need to have a Monzo account and be eligible for the service. First, download the Monzo app and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Once you have an account, go to the app and tap on the Home tab. Then tap on the Get Flex button. You will then be asked to apply for Monzo Flex, which involves a credit check to determine your eligibility. This check will not affect your credit score. If you are eligible, you will be offered a credit limit and you can then decide how much of that limit you want to use. For Flex, when you have decided on your credit limit, you can set up a repayment plan that works for you, choosing how much you want to repay each month and over what period of time. You can repay your balance in 3, 6, 12, 18 or 24 monthly installments. You can use Monzo Flex to pay for purchases made on your Monzo card, and you will receive reminders when your repayments are due. You can also track your spending and repayment schedule in the Monzo app, making it easy to stay on top of your finances. It is important to make your repayments on time to avoid late fees and to keep your credit score healthy. If you are having trouble making repayments, you should contact Monzo to discuss your options. By following these steps, you can get Monzo Flex and start using it to manage your spending and repayments in a flexible and convenient way. Remember to always use credit responsibly and make your repayments on time to get the most out of Monzo Flex.